Meet China's upgraded new attack helicopter with the most powerful engine. Welcome to this channel. This channel is the best place if you want to find out about China's upgraded new attack helicopter with the most powerful engine. We try to make our videos valuable and educational. Subscribe to this channel for information sources. Overview of the new attack helicopter. China has created a new attack helicopter that analysts say could give Beijing an edge in the future conflict with Taiwan. The aircraft, called the Z-10, made its first public appearance at an air show in the southern city of Zhuhai on November 11. The Z-10 is the latest addition to China's growing arsenal of high-tech weapons. It is a heavily armed two-seat helicopter that is believed to be based on the Russian Mi-8 Hip helicopter. The new aircraft has a maximum speed of 320 km per hour, which is 200 miles an hour, and a range of 620 km, which is 385 miles. It is also equipped with a 30mm cannon and can carry up to 8 missiles. We ought to speak about it. Development of China's new attack helicopter. China has been working on a new attack helicopter for a few years now. Recently, pictures of the helicopter have surfaced, and it looks like it could be a game changer in the world of combat helicopters. The new helicopter is called the Z-10, and it is an all-new design specifically for attacking ground targets. It has a wide range of weapons, including anti-tank missiles, rockets, and cannons. It also has a very advanced targeting system to hit targets with great accuracy. The Z-10 is still in development, but it is expected to enter into service with the PLA in late 2013 or early 2014. The Z-10 is a multi-mission helicopter designed for attack, scout, and anti-submarine warfare. Let's have a talk about it as well. The engine and its power. China has unleashed a new attack helicopter, the Z-10, on the world. The Z-10 is a fearsome helicopter with powerful engines, stealth capabilities, and devastating armaments. It is an accurate weapon of war, symbolic of China's rapidly growing military power. The Z-10 is already making waves in the international communities, has been deployed in combat in Syria, and has proven its effectiveness in battle. Besides its formidable firepower, the Z-10 also features state-of-the-art avionics and sensors. This makes it an extremely dangerous opponent and should not be underestimated. The Z-10 also has a troop transport capability which allows it to carry up to 10 soldiers into battle. This gives the Z-10 an edge over many other attack helicopters in its class. The Z-10 is currently in service with the Chinese military and has been seen action in several skirmishes against neighboring countries. The Z-10 has also been exported to several other countries including Pakistan, Thailand, and Indonesia. Let's take a look into this and converse. Features of China's new attack helicopter. According to state media, the Chinese military has deployed a new attack helicopter, the CAIC Z-10. The helicopter is an essential step in the modernization of the Chinese military and has drawn comparisons to the American AH-64 Apache. The Z-10 has several features that make it a formidable weapon. It is equipped with a 30mm cannon, anti-tank missiles, and air-to-air missiles. It also has a maximum speed of 315 km per hour and a range of 800 km. The Z-10 is also equipped with several sensors and systems to engage targets effectively. These include an electro-optical system, a laser rangefinder, and a helmet-mounted targeting system. The electro-optical system includes a day camera and an infrared camera. The laser rangefinder is integrated into the targeting system and projects a series of coded pulses onto a target. The gunner uses the helmet-mounted targeting system to aim the weapon. It includes a display screen that shows the location of the target and information about the weapon's status. It also comprises a lock-on system that automatically targets the enemy when they come into range. Let's have a discussion about this. Comparison with other helicopters. The Z-10 traces its lineage to the WZ-9 developed by the Shanghai Aircraft Industries Corporation CAIC for the People's Liberation Army Ground Forces PLAGF. The WZ-9 replaced the aging Harbin Z-5 and the D-30IM helicopters in the PLAGF service. Z-9 was displayed for the first time at the 9th Zhuhai Air Show held in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province in November 2012. The PLAGF plans to buy over 100 WZ-9 helicopters to replace its aging Harbin Z-5 and D-30IM helicopters. Let's talk about that as well. How will this affect the military balance in Asia? The US's recent move to sell $1.5 billion worth of arms to Taiwan will significantly impact the military balance in Asia. The sale includes 108 Black Hawk helicopters, anti-tank missiles, and other weapon systems. It has been seen as a response to China's aggressive military posture in the region. The US has long been the dominant military power in Asia, but China is rapidly catching up. This arms sale will help to maintain the US's advantage and might prevent a Chinese military takeover of Taiwan. There is no definite evidence that this arms sale will help maintain the US's advantage of prevent a Chinese military takeover of Taiwan. However, given the long-standing defense ties between the US and Taiwan, it seems plausible that this arms sale could help bolster Taiwan's defenses in a conflict with China. It appears to be conceivable that this arms deal could assist with reinforcing Taiwan's guards in contention with China. It is vital to note that it is dubious that the arms will be conveyed, and regardless of whether they are given, it is uncertain that they will be interesting in forestalling a contention. Come on, now let's talk about this now. Advantages of the new attack helicopter over its predecessors. The new Z-10 helicopter significantly improves over older helicopters in several ways. It is faster, more agile, and has a more extended range than previous models. In addition, it is equipped with some of the latest military technology, including stealth capabilities and advanced targeting system. The Z-10 has already seen success in combat and has proven to be a valuable asset to the Chinese military. It will be a mainstay of global armies in the years to come. Using autonomous weapon system, AWS is increasing and is likely to become a mainstay of global armies in the years to come, finds a new study from the Stimson Center. The report, Unmanned Systems and War, the Far Reaches of Precision Strike and Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance, assesses how Unmanned Aerial System, UAS, Unmanned Ground System, UGS, and Unmanned Maritime System, UMS, are changing how wars are fought. Drawing on public sources and interviews with over 50 experts, it finds that the three main applications for AWS are precision, strike, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and force protection. Come on, let's talk about it now. Potential customers for the new attack helicopter. The new attack of 10 helicopters could be a swap for the Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is a slant-rotor airplane that can do both vertical departure and landing (VTOL), and short departure and landing (STOL). The V-22 was initially intended for the United States Marine Corps (USMC) and the United States Air Force (USAF), yet it was subsequently requested by the Italian Air Force and Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force. The V-22 has been used in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya combat operations. The V-22 was first used in combat during the Iraq War in 2003. On April 8, 2008, two MV-22s operating from USS Saipan began airstrikes against targets in Baghdad. This marked the first time a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft and a tilt-rotor aircraft worked together in combat. In 2006, the V-22 deployed in Afghanistan. In January 2007, one CV-22B made its debut deployment on board a Navy amphibious assault ship HMS Ocean L-12 as part of Operation Cobra's Anger. On June 13, 2007, three MV-22Bs from WMM-261, the Marine Raiders, made their combat debut while supporting Operation Medusa in Garsmeer's district of Helmand province. The raid on Ghazi Khan's compound was executed by 2nd Platoon, a company, 2nd Battalion, 6th Marine Regiment. Several weeks later, on July 16, 2007, an MV-22B of WMM-266, the Red Line, made a combat debut off the coast of Iraq, successfully delivering Marines and equipment to the deck of the USS Iwo Jima. On October 26, 2007, an MV-22B of WMM-161, the Green Knights, made its first operational deployment aboard the USS Wasp. In January 2008, the MV-22B saw first combat for the first time in Iraq. On January 18, 2008, two MV-22Bs of WMM-263, the Black Lines, conducted an air assault mission to support Operation Phantom Fury. Let's have a discussion about it as well. Like, share, and subscribe now.